Watch out, James Charles and Jeffree Star. It's a new queen in town.
Hey everybody, it's me Madison, and sorry if I sound a little different today. I unfortunately have a cold, but it's snowing where we live, so me and my sister got in from playing in the snow just a little bit ago. Okay. And then my parents were like, "We have a surprise for you." So I'm like kind of nervous.
You need that? Open your eyes.
What is this? Oh my god. Some Jeffree Star. Wait, what?
It's a Jeffree Star mystery box.
Girl.
Oh my gosh.
Matt, those just came out. They sold out. So you can't get one if you wanted.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I knew he had his own palette, but I didn't know what colors there were.
I don't know what's in this box. This is a mystery box. He doesn't tell you what's in them.
See all the question marks on the box? Show the camera. You should do your...
Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Come a long way from crayons, huh, Matt?
Huh?
You've come a long way since your crayon tutorial.
Yes. Ooh,
It's a Valentine's pack.
oh my gosh.
Here, flip the box around and show them.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, I see something fun in there.
Oh, I didn't even know that was in there.
Oh.
Fun. Is that a Jeffree Star one?
Yes.
Let me see,
That's
show the
cool,
camera.
man. Wow.
What? Jeffree Star's got his own pop socket? Hold on, let me
Of
get it.
course he does.
Let me. Here, let me see that. Hold on.
Cool.
Don't do anything yet. Hold on. Jeffree Star pop socket? Iconic.
Say it, Mads.
Iconic. So then it's Skin Frost, so it's highlighting powder.
Isn't that what you wanted the other day?
Hmm?
Isn't that what Dominique tried to give to you and it wasn't good?
I think you want a stick, you said, right?
No, yeah, I want, yes.
I thought you wanted the highlighter.
Yeah, highlighter, but like in the stick version.
Oh.
Yeah, well, we'll see how that works.
And then it's more highlighting powder. And then we have some lipstick. Some more, self-control. I don't know what this is.
I don't know either.
I don't know.
Can I open this?
You can open it all.
Yeah, but can I open this right now?
Yeah.
I want to see what it is.
How exciting.
I know. Right?
How do you like the packaging?
It's really...
Over here it looks so shiny.
Okay, so then it's... Ooh. It's called Velour Liquid Lipstick.
Ooh.
Let's see. Take it out. I want to see what that looks like.
Packaging. Oh. Mads.
Oh,
wow.
fancy. You need a mirror out here to do this.
Yes.
I can get her one.
What color's that?
This is... Does it say on it? Does it say on there?
Yeah, gargoyle. Oh, look at that one. So gargoyle is that color.
Then there's some more velour liquid lipstick.
What color's that?
Doll parts.
Doll parts. How perfect. Reborn doll parts. Okay, the shirt, that is limited edition. Only available to the people that bought this box.
Oh my goodness.
Limited edition. You open that. Show the camera.
Ooh, it's soft.
Can't relate.
Can't relate.
Turn around.
That is
Okay.
awesome. That's my girl. Oh my goodness. Looks good on you, baby girl.
Thanks.
Okay, this is the one she just opened.
Ooh.
I feel like with that shirt on, she should just hold like 2 things.
Is this a brush?
Then there's this one. This one. And it's called.
Okay, I don't know what that is.
And then.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a lip liner. That's a lip liner. That makes me want to steal this stuff from you.
Me too. If I knew how to use any of it.
Mmm, smells like chocolate. Smell it.
I can't smell.
Oh yeah, that's weird. Was it supposed to?
Not like chocolate, but like.
Oh yeah. It's like Hershey's.
Ooh, which flavor? Oh, which one is that?
Whoa.
This one. Where's the box?
Oh, sorry. Ready?
This one is crocodile tears.
Crocodile tears? Oh.
Mads, what do you think?
Okay,
Wait, I wanna
yeah,
look
open
at
those
that.
frosts.
What is that one called?
Virginia George.
Oh.
Hmm.
It's from the movie.
Regina George.
Yeah.
Regina George.
And this frozen peach.
Frozen Peach and Regina George. Open.
Wow. So pretty.
Dude, that is cool.
It's
I want you-
focusing on this camera.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Look at all the pink. So much pink.
Oh. Can they see it?
Wait, what's this called?
There's a.
This one is a frozen peach.
Alright, what do you think, Mads?
I love it.
That's a good surprise.
Yes.
I love that shirt. That's so cute.
What's that lip liner? Take the cap off. I want to see the color of that. Did you already do that?
No.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
What do you want to use the most? What are you most excited about?
Oh, that's.
Maybe. I don't know. The lipstick maybe.
I'm kind of excited about that green one. I'm curious.
I'm excited
Yeah.
about the frost because I've seen him use it and it glows.
Okay, wait. I want to put some on my one.
You need some brushes now for sure too.
I
Oh,
already
he's got-
have a bunch of brushes.
Okay, go get a brush. Go get a brush.
You want me to go get it?
Okay. All my brushes.
Matt, do you know Jeffree Star has new brushes coming out tomorrow?
Okay.
Exciting.
He's got his own brushes with, what's that? Morphe?
Morphe? I don't know if I'm saying it right.
Yes.
I thought it was Morphe too, but I could swear
But
I
he
heard
call-
James
he-
Charles call it Morphe.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
calls it, even Jeffree Star calls them Morphe brushes.
Yeah.
Okay, put it on, girl.
Yeah, definitely.
Which one?
I put one of those frosts on. Put that
Okay, wait.
bottom
Where
one.
do I even put them on? My cheekbones?
bottom
So,
one?
like highlight?
Put the bottom one on. Yeah, like highlighter. Put the bottom one
The
on.
pink one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the one you saw me use?
No, he was using his own. I don't. Yeah, put that one on so we'll be able to
How
see
do I
it.
open it?
I love
I don't even know how to do this. I don't even use highlighters.
Okay, I'll do
Now
it
that
then.
you do it.
I'll do
Yeah.
it. I've watched enough Jeffree Star videos. Here, let me do it. Watch.
Okay. Okay, wait. Do I just take it and then go like that?
Yeah, and then blend it.
You doing makeup, but all the time.
Let me see.
There's nothing.
Let me see. Oh, look at that glow. Look at the glow, guys. Can you see the glow? Here.
You just made me didn't
Watch,
put it in
move
the
here.
right place.
I got it now. Okay, let's do one more. Oh, yes. Here. Still recording? Okay, good. Oh, yes. Matt, oh my gosh.
Wow. I like that one the most.
Yes, right? Here, let me do the other cheek now. Man, watch out, James Charles and Jeffree Star. It's a new queen in town.
Wait, put that one on first.
Here, look at me.
Ow.
Sorry. Okay, Oh, let's see the other
Oh
one.
my god.
Let me see the other one. Let me see it. Oh, yes, Queen. Can't relate, can you? Okay, look at that. Look at that in the mirror. Who's good? Who's good? What do you think?
Now.
Hey guys, I hope you like my new look. It's Jeffree Star.
Okay. Now, okay, wait, which lipstick should I put on?
Ooh.
Okay, should I put on this one?
Put on the green
I
one.
already like that one.
Put the green one on.
Wait, can I test them on my skin?
Yeah, go. Go, do
The
it.
little swatchy swatch.
Ooh, that was pretty.
Definitely do that one. And you have the other lipstick one.
I don't know, they're also pretty. Ooh.
Yeah, do that
man.
one. Do that one.
Okay, wait.
First one was that
this
one.
one?
Yeah, sit down where they can see you.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so good. Daddy's good at this.
I'll fix it, don't worry. I go messy.
Ooh, it's pretty.
We should do the lip liner now. Okay,
No.
girl.
Dang, look at the pigment much. What did I say? That is good. Give them a little wink.
Okay, bye guys. I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you think my dad did a good job. I think he did somewhat.
Somewhat. I
a
could
good
fix.
job.
I could fix it.
Mads, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you guess that this was what it was going to be?
0. I didn't guess at all.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job, Daddy.
Got him.
Can't relate.
Dirty house. Okay.
Okay, so guys, I have something really important to show you.
Got him.
It looks good.
That looks perfect. Okay, push the mirror to the side and say goodbye.